This morning I'm looking at making these air conditioners a little less noisy. My wife even wants to replace that one over there, and frankly I think it's just rattling of the case or something like that. Sometimes these rubber feet down here go bad, it rattles up against something, but oftentimes it's just these grills or whatever that's making noise, so I'm going to check those and put something in there to keep them from rattling. I won't advise doing any thing like removing the tops or whatever because of the severe electrical danger, so don't do that. If you don't know what you're doing, don't mess with the electrical parts of it, don't take it apart. But oftentimes it's just the grill, and don't need to spend $1,000 to fix a rattling grill, if you know what I mean. Yeah, let's take a look at the first one. My guess is that, yeah, it's just a rattling grill. And they usually come with some kind of a rubber or plastic spacer, but that's gone away. So I'll just make one of my own, put it in there. So what I've done is taken a piece of this thermal insulation for air conditioners and hot water and so on, and cut off a small piece, cut it down the center, and then put some slits in it like this. See that? So what I'm going to do is pick a central cross place where these supports cross back here, and just going to lift it out a little bit, insert this in here like this, make sure it's on there straight, in position, and there, she's not going to rattle anymore. Let's check the front grating. Yeah, trying to get it to rattle, and no, nothing. Okay, so this one's fine. We'll call that one good. Let's go on to the second one. This is the one for our guest room. We use it like twice a year, and my wife's willing to replace it just because of the noise, because it's outside of a bedroom window. But that's not it. And yeah, lots of rattles on this thing. Rattling in different spots. So we'll track them down one by one. There's one right here. Track them down one by one and de-rattle it. Save ourselves $1,000. The primary rattle on this one is happening right here, and I can't really show you. Up underneath here there's a bar. This thing goes up and it's welded to another cross piece. So all I'm going to do is take a very similar thing to what I did before, and it's a piece of plastic this time, plastic tubing, and do the same kind of cuts on it, and without taking the top off the air conditioner, which I'm not going to recommend, it's too dangerous. You just put it underneath here, let it wrap around there. You may need both hands to do this, but, and there it is. That rattle is gone. Back here on this side I've got a unique situation. It's banging between two pieces of metal, whereas on the other air conditioner over there it was just one piece slapping against another like this. But this one is rattling between two. There's one underneath here and there's this piece, and it's rattling between the two pieces. So I can't just like put one piece in there and hope it won't rattle. So what I'm going to do is get a smaller plastic tube, split it, wrap it around here, push it deep back inside here. I think it goes back in about 1 inch as far as I can see. After a trial piece I determined it's more like 1.5 inches, about 5 centimeters long or so, to do this. So I just made one up, split it, and set it on here like this, and just push it back in there, make sure the split's down, and push it all the way back in there. And there's a good beginning already, and I think I'll do every other one down there. And as you can see, the rattle's pretty much already gone, but just for sake of redundancy I'm going to do that. But yeah, there's $1,000 in savings just by removing the rattle and keeping the wife happy. Okay, well, I hope you found it interesting and useful in your air conditioner endeavors.